Located around Antwerp, in Comthout, Belly House is a Belgian woodland villa designed by Studio Okami architects in the style of the Decades architecture, which features a mirrored facade, as replaces an experimental 1960s villa, which had to be demolished due to Belgian regulations and the client's desire for more space. With varying heights and orientations, the concrete walls divide the interior while providing privacy and shading. A marble wall marking the entrance adds a playful accent. The lower level of the house is topped with a boxy, mirrored structure, which contains 2 children's bedrooms along with a playroom and 2 bathrooms. The mirror-clad volume was designed to help hide the upper floor and give the illusion of a more elongated form for the house. Drawing from the style of the original structure, Belly House comprises concrete walls with floor-to-ceiling windows on the ground floor. On the ground floor, an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area branches from the entrance. With cupboards and walls clad in walnut wood, this space is designed to be warm and inviting. The rich, dark hue of the walnut wood pairs well with a variety of other materials and colors, while offering a warm and welcoming atmosphere that is perfect for gathering with friends and family. The mirrored elements, which are made from reflective aluminium, are covered in condensation for much of the day. The aluminium reflective panels are used as an outside shell ventilated facade, disconnected from the thermal shell, explained Van Cotter. In the Belgian climate, the panels are non-reflective for a large part of the day due to condensation. The condensation runs in vertical stripes, which helps birds to avoid the panels, he continued. Here's a look at the plans of the home. The visual and spatial interactions between the garden, concrete, and glass, and the reflections of the mirrored volume give the building its timeless appearance and form an ode to the strength of the original design.